Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 22, and problem number 22 it's about validate the age or the number that the user gonna insert through the console screen. We will take number. I represent this number in this program as an age, and if this age or this number out of the range that we created by ourselves, I will create here range. Let's say it's from 18 to 45. From it will store inside it 18, and two variables will store inside number 45. If the age or the number that the user is going to insert through the console screen out of this range, so we will return false. If the number or the age that the user is going to insert in the range, we will return true. All right, so let's see how we're going to solve this problem. First thing, we have hashtag include a string, hashtag include string using namespace td. We already know these things. And after that, we have this function integer read age. It's simple function. Let's open and see what's inside it. All right, it's simple, and we define integer data type. We declare the age variable. After that, cout, please insert your age. It's the question that displayed for the user through the console screen to let the user understand what should insert. All right, while we display this question, please insert your age. So the user said, okay, let me insert a number. Age, and then it's a number. So we will take the number, store it inside the age variable. After that, we return age because it's function at procedure. Don't forget this. Read age function, it's function, so we have to return a one value. All right, for that we said return age. And after that, we create another function. We name it read number in range. Read number in range, this function, it's function to check if the number that the user inserted in the range or out of the range. So it takes three parameters: the age that we take it from the user screen, and we have another two parameters from two. So now let's open this read number in range, see what we do inside it. It's from Boolean data type. We have this expression inside this read number in range function. Return if the age greater than or equal from, let's say we store inside from variable 18, and age less than or equal to, and let's say that we store inside two variable number 45. So if age or the number that the user inserted, let's say it's 17, out of this range, it will return for me this function false. If it's in the range, it will return for me true. So hold this function, it will hold one thing: 0 or 1, true or false. Why? Because it's belong to a Boolean data type. So hold this expression, it will return for me one answer: 0 or 1, true or false. And after that, we have here other procedure, print results. We take the age. Why we take the age? To check if the age in the range or out of the range. By using what? By using if else statement. You said if read number in range, we'll give it the age, let's say 17, greater than or equal 18, which is from 18, we assign it to the from variable because it has read number in range. It has here three parameters. So age, it's already inside the number from the user when we take it, and 18 we assign it to from, and comma 45 we assign it to 2, because these variables, when we declare them in the parameters of this function, we not assign to them any values. Now we assign to them values, and we can change the range. Let's say we can make it from 15 to 50. All right, for example, my program needs to check the age of the users or the applicants, that their age should be between 15 and 50. But let's make it now 18 and 45. This is the popular one. So if read number in range, we take the age, let's say it's stored inside 17, the user inserts 17, greater than or equal 18, and less than or equal 2, please print for me this string. Cout age is invalid age. Why this string? Because the age, we say that the user inserts 17. But if the user insert 18, 19, 20, so the number in the range, we will let the compiler print for me this string. Cout age, which is 18, for example, is valid age. And here in the main function, we just call the print result, and after that we put inside its parameter the function that it's called read age. Why read age? Because once we did run, the compiler starts from the inner bracket, from read age, go to the read age first function, display the question to the user, please insert your age, and after that go to the print result procedure, check if the age in the range or out of the range. If it's in the range, please print for me this string. If it's out of the range, print for me this string. Let's do run to check it out together. Perfect. Once we did run, the compiler display for this question, please insert your age. Let's say this time it's 17. 17 is out of the range because our range starts from 18 and it's end up with 45. All right, so let's press enter. 17 is invalid age. Yes, because it's out of the range. Our range starts, as we say, from 18 to 45. Let's do run again, check it out together, and put valid age or valid number. Please insert your age. Let's say it's 19. 19 is valid age because 19 is in the range. This number is in the range that we create by ourselves. So that was the problem number 22. It was about to validate the age on a number when you want to check if the age of the applicants greater than 18 and less than 45, to hire him some specific job or to let him enroll in university or something like this. We use it like this, not exactly like this. Is not the best. This is not the best solution. There is a lot of good solutions, but this is how we do validation. All right, how to check if the number is correct or not. And in problem number 23, the next problem, the next lesson, we will take how we keep going asking the user until insert a valid number. So that was the lesson of today. See you next lesson, guys. Ciao.